everybody, welcome to another one of my videos. I'm here today at Rabindra Bhavan. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes, I am at Rabindra Bhavan and I'm here for the second day of the Guwahati International Film Festival, which is being organized by the Guwahati Cine Club. Now all of you would want to know what is the Guwahati Cine Club. The Guwahati Cine Club is one of the oldest cine clubs in Assam, and it was formed in 1965, and one of the founders was our very own Dr. Bhupen Bhupenda, and this particular club has been doing excellent work in bringing films from across the borders, films from within our country, and right now we are having the 13th Guwahati International Film Festival. Yesterday I watched this movie from Bangladesh, this film called Alpha, and it was amazing. The theme, the topic, the story was amazing, and this particular festival is going to go on for the next I think next 5 days till the 3rd, and I am expecting that all of you are going to be here. It started on the 27th and it's going to go on till the 3rd. I am expecting that all of you are going to come because this particular film festival has some excellent movies, short films. They have longer films of 1 hour 30 minutes. Right now we have this Assamese film which is happening, which is starring Jotin Bora. House is full. Right after this video I'm going to go in and I am going to go and watch the movie because it is going to be really good. It is superb, it is amazing, and I want all of you to see what's happening. Wait, I'm going to... So you can see that this is one of the posters of the 13th International Guwahati Film Festival. We have this as a standee where we have some of the films which we are going to screen, and of course that's the reception. When you come in, you can buy your tickets from here. You need to buy the tickets, okay? And here is the bigger poster. Can you see that? That's the huge poster that we have. And of course I love this huge poster, right? So we have our screenings which are happening inside. We're going to have it till the 3rd of March. So I am expecting that all of you are going to be here. All of you are going to come in. You're going to get your tickets from this place here. This is the place where you're going to get your tickets, and you're going to go right in and you are going to watch the movie there. So the movie, an Assamese movie, is going on right now, which is starring Jotin Bora. I am going to go in here and I am going to check on this movie. This movie is going to be great. I want all of you to come in and see this, be a part of this film festival. This Guwahati International Film Festival is just getting bigger because the whole year through what we do is we organize a lot of different functions. We do book publishings, we have workshops on film appreciation, and so this time we are thinking of many other things. So people, I want all of you to come down to the Guwahati Film Festival and be a part of it, because you know what, when we say you must come down to these film festivals, you get to learn a lot of stuff. And so when I tell you that you need to come down to the Guwahati International Film Festival, why? Because you get to learn a lot of stuff. You get to learn a lot of things. You will learn about the culture and the traditions of different communities across the globe, because we have international films also which will come in. We have national films also which are coming in, and this festival, this International Guwahati Film Festival, is just getting bigger by the day. This is the 13th International Guwahati Film Festival and it's just getting bigger every year. Every year we are getting bigger. And let me tell you one thing, this year we are dedicating this particular festival, the 13th International Guwahati Film Festival, to the one and only Satyajit Ray. It is his centenary year and we are dedicating this particular festival in his name. We are also very privileged that we have the 150th and we are celebrating the 150th centenary of Ido Hondikoy, the first Assamese actress of the Assamese film industry, and also the one and only father of cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. It is also his centenary year. So we are celebrating a whole lot of things in this particular festival. The only thing I can tell all of you is please come down, be a part of it, buy your tickets here, and you get access to the world. You get access to beautiful movies. You get access to the best, to the best stories, best themes, superb production, fantastic direction, and of course, you get to learn a lot. If you are a student, whether you're a student of mass communication or not, it doesn't matter, but you need to be here at the film festival, at the International Guwahati Film Festival. I'm going to say bye for now, and I love all of you so much. Do keep watching my videos, and like I always keep saying, when I'm on YouTube, and if you like what you see on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my channel and do share my videos with others if you really do like them. Do share them, and what else? Keep loving. Don't bring in the hate. Do keep loving all the time. Be in love always with people, with things, with the whole world. And I love all of you so much. I'm going to see you soon. Watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, press the button out there which has got a little bell button out there. Press that so that you are updated every time I put up a video. So I love all of you so much. Take care and see you soon. Bye.